It's a dot, anyway. Okay. Are we gonna try to actually eat some food instead of spitting it all over the place, please? Hey, whoa, hey, pay attention. Pay attention. Now, please swallow. Please swallow. Hey, you actually kind of swallowed that one. The camera must be distracting. Sweet. Might have figured out a way to make this happen. Alright. Watch your spoon. Watch your spoon. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hey. You gonna swallow some? There you go. I heard it. Good job. Oh, stop. Quit it. Boy, but you are making a mess. Yeah, I gotta wipe your face. I have no choice. In a minute, I'm gonna have to get something else because we've already gone through 2 paper towels and we're out of paper towels in this paper towel. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, let's grab that.
We got that one on tape.
Let's grab that. Okay, you ready? More? Stop it. Eat it. Eat it. It's not ammo, it's food. Quit it. Quit it. Quit it. You want to swallow? No, don't spit. No, quit. Hey. Oh, jeez. Hey! Running out of paper towel. Need to get an actual towel. Quit. We don't spit. We don't spit. Come on. Come on. Oh, are you coughing? I didn't mean to get it in there when you were coughing. You alright? Stop spitting it. Quit it. Eat. Come on. Close your little mouth. Close your little mouth. Close it. Close it. Oh, stop it. Oh, jeez. Stop it. Yeah, very funny. You're a mess. You are a mess. You're a mess. No, you can't have that. Stop. Stop. I'm not laughing at you. Stop. Oh, God. Here. Okay, Daddy's laughing at you, but I'm not. Here.
Yeah, I apologize for the shaky camera work, but it's just really hard not to laugh at this.
Eat it. Swallow it. No, don't spit it at me. Stop. It's not funny. Stop it. Dude. Okay, the bib you can have, because that's dirty. You go ahead and wipe your face off for me. Okay? Or shove it up your nose. Whatever works. Okay, now. Down. More food. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just close the mouth. Close the mouth. And swallow. We're about halfway there. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Ready? Ready? Come on. No, no, no. Ew. Oh. Stop it. Jeez. I really might not want the food. I didn't think he'd be using it for ammo. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that all came right back out. Dude, come on, try. Please try. Stop. Are you enjoying yourself? I just gave you a bath, dude. We're gonna have to do it again. There you go. Don't poke yourself in the eye. Yep. Uh-huh. It's all very exciting. Uh-huh. Oh my god. You're gonna have to go get me some wipes in a minute when we get done here. Uh-huh. You wanna try some more in the face? Not on the face, but in the face? Nope, keep it. Nope, keep it. Nope, keep it. Nope, keep it. Swallow it. Come on. Swallow it. Swallow it. Ah! It's a good thing you don't have to live on. You would starve to death if you were trying to eat this way for real. It's all on your neck. You have to change your clothes. You did better yesterday. Yeah, it's a spoon. No, that's not really what it's for. Put it. Here. I have no idea what percentage of this is actually getting swallowed. Ugh. Ay, ay, ay. This Russian, not Russian. Well, it's kind of like Russian roulette, really, because I don't know what I'm going to get spit on. Don't pull your bib off. Ah. Fine, take it. Now, can I have it back? Now that you've wiped your face off on it? Huh? Can I have it back? Thank you. We've gone through half the food. I don't think half the food has gone in you. Yeah, you get all excited, but you don't actually do what you're supposed to with it. Ah, no. Yeah, go ahead and bitch to Nanny about how awful we're being. Now that you spit your food everywhere. Are you okay? And I know Nanny right now, she's saying, don't worry, when you come see Nanny, you can spit your food all over the place if you want to. Okay, it's just oatmeal and bananas. You can't talk and swallow. Okay, don't worry, Mom. That's okay, because I'm not swallowing. Actually, you actually kind of swallowed a little bit of that one. All right, man. Good job. You actually swallowed that bite. You got anything you want to say before we turn it off? I think that was baby for see you in 2 weeks, Nanny. We can't understand you with your hand in your mouth. You got 45 seconds left, dude. You got anything important to say? Get the hand out of there so we can hear you.
Ten seconds left. Make it special.